What's going on, everybody? Chrissy Whispers here. I got an awesome video for you guys, and I cannot wait to show you. I met up with somebody yesterday, and I made a deal. I bought some cards, paid some money, got some stuff, brought it home, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys. We'll go over it together. Tell me what you guys think. See if I made a good deal. It's a little bullish, you know, but, well, it's not bullish. It was a $200 purchase, but I was not planning on spending money. I mentioned it in my video earlier. I didn't want to spend money. I wanted to just sell what I had, but I think I got a really good deal. I'm pretty sure I got a really good deal. Let's decide together. I'm gonna flip you guys around. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so here we are. This is what I got last night. Just some quick info. I messaged someone inquiring about purchasing some bulk that they had. They responded with yes. I also have some pulls. If you want, come over, check them out. I got some other stuff, you know, see if we can make a deal. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got and we'll see if we made a good deal. This is Arceus UPC playmat. Hasn't even been opened up. Charizard UPC playmat, not opened. This, I believe, was just some stuff. Yeah, just some stuff. Some dice. So he was primarily ripping ETBs. I took those. I didn't pay for this. He said he was gonna throw it out. I said, so will I. But let me use it to take my stuff home. So this is more, I don't want to say junk because I don't like that word. So my godchild bought me that. I'm gonna throw this box in the garbage as well. And it serves as a good backdrop, right? Okay, in here. Coin, whichever way that goes, who cares? I believe this was more, yeah, more dice. So these are the silver, these are the dice from the Arceus. This, these, that, yeah, I think they're just those. And I believe, yeah, these are from the Charizard UPC. This was open, whatever, who cares? Got all this unwanted stuff that apparently people use for the game. ETB brick, energy bricks, more sleeves, junk, okay? All right, that's out of the way. Let's get to the cards. All right, so this is really just bulk. I could go through them. There's energy cards in there. But let's go through the hits, the stuff that I actually, the meat and the potatoes of the deal, so to say. I think I actually just word for word ripped off Pokebolt. Pretty sure that's exactly what he says. Meat and potatoes of the deal. Unless that's just a generic saying, but I watch him a lot, so shout out to him. I don't know if you saw that, but that's the hit. That was the big purchase. Oh. There it is. I don't even know what this is. More bricks of energy, more bulk. Don't care. Accidentally ruined the big purchase. But this was really the bulk. I don't know why I showed. That's what the back of the card looks like, by the way. I hate these. Stand by it. Not necessarily these. But the ETB sleeves are horrendous. They're just not that clear. They're not the most opaque. I think I said in my last video. They suck. But whatever, I took them. Back to this. Just some information you guys didn't ask for. I do think this is a very undervalued alternate art. All the other alternate arts are just going up. This one, when I was looking up these cards and checking out the prices, the last time I looked at this card, I think it was like 185, around that price point. This thing's like 150 bucks now. I considered sending it in for grading. The centering is off, it's right to left, but that's not the reason I don't plan on sending it into grade. The reason I'm not sending it into grade is because I would rather sell the money right now, sell it and make the money right now and get the business rolling instead of possibly having to wait to get the card back to, you know, make money on the card. The Radiant cards are just absolutely sick. They're not worth much. Pretty sure this card is like less than $1. And then we just got some pretty much a lot of bulk cards, but there are some other hits. We'll just go through them. One thing that I have to say kind of really annoyed me is a lot of his bulk V cards weren't even sleeved. I suppose if I want to be super savvy, I will rewatch the video and I will go through price by price, card by card, how much each thing is worth, and we'll see like these aren't even in, I'm gonna do this now on camera with you guys. My editors might just completely take that part out of the video. We'll find out when he releases it. Now I am going to take all of the cards out of the ETB sleeves, because, you know, I like to have them in clear sleeves so I can see the front and the back, so that I know if I'm listing, you know, near mint or light played. So that's the collection. All right, well, anyways, this is what I purchased. Very exciting. Well, I was excited. I'd never purchased a collection before, but yeah, I'm like fluttering around here. All right, guys, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Did I get a good deal? Did I get shafted? I paid $190 total for the deal. I think I did really good. Just gonna be honest, I think I did pretty good. So I'll see you guys around. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Chrissy Whispers out.